Yebo asingeneni ku hot topic yethu namhlanje lalelani. Hi 326 Express. I am a lady married with 4 kids. My husband had a really good job. And before he got the job, we used to go kunobvunza kumasowe tichitsvaga rubatsiro. Chokwadi zvakashanda vakawana basa. Zvisineiwo kubasa kwavo kwakabva kwadzingwa vanhu. Basa ravo rikapera. I was a housewife, but I realized I needed to step up and do something. I started buying and selling car parts. And this was from the money ndakatotumirwa nebrother yangu iri ku UK. So when it came to providing mumba, I was doing most of it. And I didn't have a big problem with it. My husband, semurume, aimuka achibuda. Pamwe pacho, ongodzoka ngumba akabata loaf rechingwa. It became a bit more frequent. Akuya ne grocery, but at this point I was paying rent and paying fees dzevana. I wanted to ask him, kuti how was he managing to buy for us? Arikuita madira api. Asi imwe pfungwa yakangoti ndirege. If I ask, ndinenge ndaitaka kumudzikisira semurume. So I just observed. Pamwe vachitouya netumatoi twevana. So an old friend of mine wekusowe sent me a picture on WhatsApp. Achiti kwa muna kutiudza kuti manesowe renyu rinotungamirirwa nababa. Ndakashamisika because I was not aware of this. Vedare one day I decided to follow him to find out kuti vaitoshandira vanhu. I didn't confront him then. I heard him achitaura pafoni shamwari yake achiti unganidza chaungatiite plan yacho. When I asked him, he said he was called to do so, but I am convinced he is staging it. Now I don't know what to tell him and how to tell him to stop lying to people. Vachita unge vanorapa. I didn't know kuti vanga vapererwa kusvika palevel iri. I don't know how to approach this matter. Ndibatsireiwo vedare. Nekuti I feel murume wangu ari kunyepera vanhu. At the same time, I also don't want to go against him. Kokana zviri spiritual vemashuwa. Iyo hot topic yetu ya namhlanje.